Hello students, welcome back to online classes of Shemstar Global School. This is Nabila Fatima. We have started the chapter The Expansion of British Power in India. This is part 5 of the same chapter. In this video, we will study about the Battle of Plassey, which took place in the year 1757. The Battle of Plassey started with the conquest of Bengal. The EEIC had established factories at Surat, Madras, Bombay and Calcutta. In 1717, Mughal Emperor Farrukhsiyar granted the company the right to trade within the Mughal Empire. So in the year 1717, the Mughal Emperor Farrukhsiyar gave the East India Company the privilege of importing and exporting goods from Bengal without paying any taxes. Siraj-ud-Daulah became the Nawab of Bengal. Siraj-ud-Daulah became the Nawab of Bengal under the Mughal Emperor Farrukhsiyar, and he was the last independent Nawab of Bengal. He wanted that private traders of East India Company should pay taxes to the king. Siraj-ud-Daulah ordered British to stop fortification of their territories. Siraj-ud-Daulah ordered British and French to stop interfering in the internal matters. He also told them to stop fortification of their territories because he knew that if they will fortify their territories, they will become more powerful. And at last, he wanted British and French private traders should pay taxes. The French obeyed to Siraj-ud-Daulah, but British refused. This was the main cause of the Battle of Plassey. Now let me tell you that why British wanted Bengal. Bengal was one of the richest provinces at the time of Mughal Empire, and almost all trading was done through Bengal. Nawab of Bengal has authority of Bihar and Odisha also. The Nawab of Bengal is the Nawab of Bihar and Odisha also. So, if British would capture Bengal, they would get political control of Bihar and Odisha also. Exports from Bengal. At that time, almost everything was exported from Bengal like salt, pepper, indigo, which is a dye, sugar, silk, cotton textile and handicraft. 60% of the British revenue came from Bengal. Almost 60% of the British revenue came from Bengal, so they wanted the Nawab of Bengal should be their puppet so that they could use more resources of Bengal. In 1690, British founded Calcutta British Company. So if they would capture Bengal, it would be advantageous for the company also. The Battle of Plassey. It was one of the most important events in the modern Indian history. It was the first war which was fought between the Britishers and the Indians. Earlier, Britishers fought two Carnatic War, but that war they fought with the French. Let me tell you that why this battle is known as Battle of Plassey. Actually, this battle was fought in Palashi on the banks of Hooghly River. So this battle was named after this place. British pronounce Palashi as Plassey. So this battle was known as Battle of Plassey. Mir Jafar betrayed Siraj-ud-Daulah and supported Britishers. Mir Jafar was a general in Siraj-ud-Daulah's army. He betrayed the Nawab and joined hand with the Britishers. Mir Jafar took no part in the fight. Even he did not send his soldiers in the battlefield. British won Battle of Plassey. British were able to kill the Nawab and thus they won Battle of Plassey. Mir Jafar became a new Nawab of Bengal. As per the promise of British, they made Mir Jafar as a new Nawab of Bengal. But he was only puppet for the British. The Nawab gave English a huge war compensation. The company now wanted to use the resources as well as the wealth of Bengal. The Battle of Plassey was a turning point in the Indian history. It paved the way for the English to capture the Bengal and eventually the whole India. It transformed a mere trading company to a political power and the major contender for the Indian Empire. The revenues of Bengal enabled them to organize a strong army. The company no longer wanted to be only trader in India. They wanted to capture the country to use our resources. So at the end of Battle of Plassey, now we know that British emerged as the highest political power. Please watch all the videos of this chapter carefully, and if you have any problem in any topic, then please ask from me by putting your questions in the comment section.